How to delete a BIGO live account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can delete your BIGO live account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your BIGO live app and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Tap on the Me section on your bottom right, then tap on Settings icon on your top right. Here tap on Account Management on the third option. Scroll at the bottom of the page and tap on Delete Account. Now, to delete your account, just type in your password and tap on to Next. You will see this page. Tap on Confirm and Continue. At this page, check the box that says I've read and agreed the terms and conditions of account deletion and tap on Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account again. Just like so, this is how you successfully delete your BIGO Live app account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.